Hey, how you doing? This is Kenan from the village, and we got Alderman Bosley here. He's doing great things out here, and he's very consistent when it comes to engagement. So we're honored to be able to serve and volunteer at his third annual food and fellowship giveaway with toys and everything for the community.
This is an important time of the year, our kids really kind of understand what it's like to commune and be a part of a family. And that's just a community we're always talking about. It takes a village. When you actually have an organization with a name like the village that is an exact example of what it is that we talk about, man, it's amazing to have, our men out showing our young men what it is to be a part of a real village and teaching our children how it is that we need to commune in our community with each other, man. So I'm just, I'm grateful to have great men around me, man, because a lot of times we wish for great people, we pray for great people, but sometimes we don't see how great they are until they are gone. And it's great to be able to understand how grateful we are to have amazing organizations here. Appreciate it. We're at the Third Ward annual Christmas event. Once again, we got the village, our brothers,
Alderman Bosley representing for the people,
100%, always and forever.